Wesley, foul Thomas. North. Found Thomas. Tries to turn and pull the cross in. Indeed, he got the cross in. Then Goodman flicks it back. And a goal by Brian Talbot. Albion in front. He took it sweetly on the volley. It's the corner of Mark Kendall's goal. West Brom are in front, 1-0. Played along the ground. Barham cuts it out. And these players in support. He's found Goodman, who found Thomas. The referee allows play to carry on, and Goodman shoots, and just over the bar by Goodman. The referee has played an excellent advantage. And Chris White, plenty of time to win that header. Goodman, Floyd Street was in control. Talbot, who was challenged heavily in the back by Vaughan. Street and Goodman. Goodman crosses in, and Thomas, and Barham's shot was deflected away. Very close together. He doesn't seem to be able to get going with these pushes from high balls. Robson. Goodman gets there first. Goodman brings it away from Wesley, and his cross looking for Thomas, which McNally brings back for Ford. And a little chip by Ford. Lovely football. And that would have been some goal. It's the partnership that scored 121 goals in 2 seasons. And that's only the league. Bull got 50 last season. And that was Stacey North, who cleared it behind his own goal line. Naylor holding all the way for that one. The referee has decided Naylor was either time wasting or took too many steps. So can be left at all as Dennison attempts to smash one into the net. Indeed he does. Robbie Dennison makes it one apiece here at the Hawthorns on more or less a stroke of half time. As the goal, Mark Kendall's goal erupts behind him. Barham. And Ford making his presence felt. He was ready to pounce on that with his head. There is yet another corner in this opening few minutes of the second half. Remember, it's still one apiece here at the Hawthorns. It falls for McNally, who hits it, and just past the post. And it took a deflection on its way through. So a corner again to West Brom. Forward again. Kendall did not get there. And the shot of the top of the crossbar by McNally. There's a real floater by McNally. And Burgess. Dennison for Wolves. Looking for Mudge. Mudge finds the breakthrough. And it's cleared by Chris White.
The substitute for Wolverhampton Wanderers, Keith Downing replacing Nigel Vaughan.
Nigel Vaughan as the corner comes in. Venus. Back to Dennison. Skipping past the Albion defence on his way. Floyd Street and Chris White tussling in the air. That's a very lucky deflection for Chris White. Andy Thompson. Gooding. Talbot. And Keith Downing. created too much space and he was offside. Against the leaders, Sheffield United. Sean Wesley was nearly in there, and Naylor had to tip over. Naylor was marginally off his line, had to be tipped over. The corner again, and Naylor comes for it and collects. Denison. Chris White with an excellent clearance. Much isn't offside, and Chris White will have to chase. Much. He shoots wide. It looked fractionally offside. North. McNally. McNally again. Floyd Street. Now Burgess. McNally. Burgess again. Crosses it in. Talbot. Goodman. Handball, surely. No. Well, a blatant handball. Steve Bull brings it away, and Gary Robson will have to do some covering. But a handball there by Shane Wesley has not been seen by the referee or the linesman. Goodman. And the clearance was not good by Bellamy. Thompson brings the ball under control, did extremely well. Chris White has made a dreadful mistake. Stacey North has to make up for it. I don't think he will, but Naylor has. Tony Ford. Goodman. And McNally. Talbot heads it on, looking for Thomas, who finds space. And a good save by Kendall. A hat-trick of saves by Kendall during the match has kept Wolves in the fight. And he comes and it's headed away. Downing shoots, saved, and Steve Bull, no, Andy Much is offside. In the next couple of minutes, McNally played it out wide for Tony Ford. He certainly can make an impact when he wants to. Brought down, it was a penalty. Albion's chance has come. Mark Venus will protest, but the referee will have none of it. It's up to Bernard McNally now. He saved it, Kendall saves the penalty. North heads it down, and a great save by Kendall. The header was by Thomas in the very last minute. It's away by Talbot though. Goodman, Albion's last chance, surely. Ford. A good tackle by Downing. Much. The cross comes in and Steve Bull's and marks. He scores in the last minute. Wolves are in front, and it's Steve Bull who has scored it against his old club. He certainly wanted to prove a point to West Brom.